In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Chrome to Brave browser. If you've been using Google Chrome for a while and you're switching over to Brave, you probably don't want to lose things like your bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, or even your extensions. The good news is, Brave makes it really simple to bring most of that information over, so you can continue browsing almost exactly where you left off in Chrome. First, make sure you have Brave installed and open on your computer. Once Brave is open, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see the main menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines or 3 dots, depending on your version. Click on that menu, and from the drop-down, look for the option that says Bookmarks and Settings, or Import Bookmarks and Settings. Go ahead and click that. This will open an import window. At the top, you should see a drop-down menu where you can choose which browser you want to import from. Click on that drop-down and select Google Chrome. If you have multiple Chrome profiles on your device, you might see more than one option. In that case, choose the profile that you usually use, the one that has the bookmarks and history you care about. Once you've selected Chrome, you'll see a list of items that Brave can import. This typically includes browsing history, favorites or bookmarks, saved passwords, autofill form data, and sometimes search engines. Take a moment to decide what you actually want to bring over. For example, if you're on a shared computer, you might not want to import passwords. You can check or uncheck each item based on your preferences. When you're ready, click the Import button. Brave will now start pulling the data from your Chrome profile. This usually only takes a few seconds, but if you have a lot of history and bookmarks, it might take a little longer. Just wait for the process to complete. When it's done, Brave will typically show a confirmation message letting you know the import was successful. After that, you can close the import window and start exploring Brave. Check your bookmarks bar or bookmark manager to confirm that your Chrome bookmarks are there. You can also try logging into a site where you used saved passwords to make sure those carried over as well. And that's all you need to do to import your data from Chrome to Brave browser, making the switch smoother and keeping your browsing experience familiar.